Okay, hello, how are you going today everyone? Today I'm going to take a look into PancakeBunny. Actually, I've been meaning to look into this for quite some time now, and finally last week I tried it out, and I have to say I'm pretty darn impressed. Okay though, but before I get started, I just want to say that I've been making quite a few videos recently, and I'm slowly running out of good ideas. So if you want anything that I should look into, and you're interested in DeFi or anything like that with crypto, please let me know, okay, in the comments below, because I'll be happy to look into something for you. So please let me know below in the comments. Okay, and of course, don't forget to like and subscribe. Really appreciate it. Helps support the channel. Thank you very much. And without further ado, let's get started. So what does PancakeBunny actually do? Well, basically, it's a DeFi yield aggregator. Okay, so it's used for pancakeswap. It optimizes your yield with automatic compounding strategies. So if you're familiar with Yearn Finance, it's kind of similar to that, but this works specifically with pancakeswap. So basically, you import your assets into PancakeBunny and it will compound it for you automatically. There are single asset vaults like Cake, some stablecoins, BTCB, BNB, and Bunny, which is their own native token, as well as LP vaults. So you can insert your LP tokens that you'd normally have in farms in PancakeSwap to earn extra yield. So auto compounding means it's taking your rewards from your investment and reinvesting this into your position to get even more rewards. So for example, this one here, Cake, so it's going to harvest the cake for you and then reinvest that for you automatically. So you'll be able to save time and also save on gas fees. As you can see, this can and does significantly improve the yield over simply staking it over in PancakeSwap. Currently, over in the Pancake pool, the yield for Cake is 93%, but over in Bunny, you'll get 267%. Okay, so the flip pools are basically exactly the same as the PancakeSwap farms, with one key difference. The rewards are automatically converted into flip or LP tokens and added to your stake, compounding it. So you can also use the Zap feature, which can save you a lot of trouble of going over to PancakeSwap. So you can do it all directly here. So you can do that. You can buy the token you wish, or you can even create the LP tokens here directly. So this is all set up now and ready for the new farms that have just migrated, which happened just yesterday. So it's all set to go. Okay, so this project has been audited by the Haiichi Group, which have a pretty good reputation. They have had clients listed on major exchanges. They have been incubated by Samsung Electronics and also were awarded the Ethereum Foundation grant. Pretty much in every audit, you'll get 4 categories of issues: critical, major, minor, and tips. PancakeBunny got 2 minor issues found in their Bunny token. So nothing to worry about them. Also, a new audit will be coming out by Certic, which will be coming out quite soon. As for the tokenomics, for their native token, Bunny, for each 1 BNB earned in fees, 5 Bunny are minted. The team are anonymous though, but they seem pretty responsive in Telegram. Okay guys, I hope you enjoyed that. It was fun to make. Right now I'm thinking about creating some more videos, so don't forget to let me know in the comments below if you want something that interests you about crypto, and or if you have any questions. Okay guys, so thank you very much. Don't forget to like, comment and subscribe, and have a great day. Bye for now.